Ahoy there, this is Olusegun Oyekami of Nusa Capital, bringing you another quick review, this time of the S&P 500 E-mini futures. And as always, the higher time frames determines the overall trend, and so I'm going to start off with the 1 month. Quick glance here shows that the E-mini futures here is bullish, although as you can see the last couple of months the price ranges have touched the cloud. This last price range here, beginning here in April, is definitely in the almost all in the cloud, but we shall just have to wait and see what happens in the future. This may be halted due to the congestion that you see here, because as you can see the Chiku span is caught up within the price action right here, so we shall have to wait and see. Also, the Tenkan-sen seems to be on par with the Kijun-sen here, so that's another thing that we have to look out for. Further down here, looking at the momentum is below zero, which means that possibly not much is going to be happening, and you can also see the evidence of that here in the squeeze. So let's quickly go over to the weekly charts, and here you can see that the weekly chart here is definitely bearish. The last 3 weeks definitely under the cloud. Chiku span here runs free. You can also see that there's a flattening of the Kijun-sen here, which tells you that the price here, the price action is moving sideways. I'll be careful with this one, just to keep an eye out of it, keep an eye on it, I beg your pardon, and see what happens in the near future. Again, the TTM squeeze as well as the momentum are all pointing down to the negative, so one will just have to wait and see. Now this here actually shows that the price will be going down, but as you can see the price action is ranging sideways, which is evidenced by the flattening of the Kijun here, so just keep an eye out on that. Let's quickly head down to the 1-day chart. Again, no question about that, that's definitely bearish. Again, there's a sort of price action moving sideways here. Chiku span is running free. Kijun is also beginning to flatten. As I said, once you see the Kijun flattening here, that means that the price is trending sideways. And of course, there's a bit of momentum here. So let's head down to the 4-hour chart. And as I've said, the 4-hour chart is the bridge between the swing trader and the long-term trader. And here, as you can see, the last couple of price ranges here have been stuck within the cloud. And as you also noticed, you can see that the Chiku span, if you look very carefully, let's try and expand that a bit. You can see that the Chiku and Kijun actually they are flattening, which is evidenced by, as you can see, the number of days here that have gone by where the price range has just ranged sideways. Once again, as you can see, the Chiku span here caught up within the congestion. That's within the price ranges here, which may actually halt any downward movement, but actually that doesn't mean it's going to stop the sideways movement of the price ranges. It does not look like there's going to be an increase in price at the moment. I think that as things have been, as the charts look, prices are going to continue to range sideways. For those of you interested in actually trading the S&P 500 E-minis, keep an eye on it, as we may just go into a sort of price contraction, because as you can see here, this is price expansion, possibly going to price contraction, and then maybe from there the price range will start moving to the higher side and everything be more bullish. But as I said, you keep an eye out on that. Let's keep our eyes out on that and see what happens in the future. Like I always say to you, when it comes to the markets and it comes to the price ranges, your guess is as good as mine. Keep your eyes and ears open and you're trading sharp. Take care of yourself and have a good weekend. Bye.